So on this week's episode of building our 55 Chevy 3100, we have our rear mount gas tank right here that we got off of LMC trucks. And let me walk you through it. So it was a little bit of a pain in the butt to get this thing in here, but we got her nice and mocked up. But let me show you what's so difficult about this is you see that little bracket in there. Trying to finagle your fingers, you can see, to get that bracket in there so that you can mount the tank properly. There's a little bit of a trick, as well as in this frame, some of the stuff didn't exactly line up, so we have to do some fabrication. But this is the 19-gallon tank off of LMC for the rear mount. Got the float installed, got the little push top, which is kind of cool. That pops up like that. Now we just got to work on redoing the fuel line. So let me walk you through how we're going to do the fuel line relocation. So let's take a look. So here is our fuel line, and currently in this 55, the fuel tank is behind the seat. So, as most of you know, this isn't a popular location for the fuel mat, or for the fuel tank, sorry. So yeah, we're gonna work on relocating those lines next. You can see the inlets over there for the fuel tank. We got that cap on order, so it should go good, yeah. Stay tuned. Now, when we bought this truck, it was not anywhere near the condition that it's in right now. So since then, we have started doing some 415 on the frame. We got this sanded down nice and good, knocked out as much rust off as possible, then put the 415 to it. You can see we gotta still do the suspension, the rear diff, and yeah, it'll be all good. So just for some comparison, if you look up under here, you can see all that rust compared to right there. So that's probably a good angle right there, compare and contrast, to see the progress on it. But so far the project's moving along just nice. You can see we got the bed over here on the floor still. Gonna do some body work for that next. But just some updates. 415, we did the frame, did the rear mount gas tank, gonna start relocating the fuel lines. And the first things that we did, because like most, you want to drive your vehicle before you start tearing it apart, we did some kill mat on the floor for heat resistance and sound deadening. And then whoever owned this truck before us decided to put a tack on it, which I'm not too fond of, as well as this is my little contraption right here, because this truck is just all metal, so it is hot during the summer here in Texas. So stay tuned. We got a vintage air conditioner going to be installed in here, going to redo the total interior. Actually got the wife right now doing some shopping because we got to get the seals for the windows. And then yeah, just a lot of work here, but slow and steady, it'll get done. So stay tuned, follow us for more as we do this 55 Chevy 3100 rebuild. All right guys, so that is a wrap on the 55 Chevy 3100 build for today. I am beat. We hit it good for about a solid 7 hours. Got the gas tank installed and in. Just need to run the fuel lines. We're gonna run all new fuel lines, as well as get some things kind of dialed in. Apologize, I don't have my mount here, but yeah, we are headed home. So stay tuned and keep watching, and thanks for supporting the channel.